Okay, we found what the problem is. The problem is the water pump. All that rattling and stuff you heard was the water pump. Bearings probably went bad, and that thing is just terrible, man. It sounds horrible. Hold that real quick. I'm gonna try to spin it so you can hear it. I don't think I can spin it because it's so bad, it won't even turn. Now check out how it's out of alignment. It won't even spin right. Like right now it's binding and I can barely turn it, but that's what it is though. Problem is this water pump right here. Right now it should spin freely, but it's not. Well, that's the problem right there. So all that rattling you heard, that was that water pump.